days before the nationwide lockdown ends, that is at least lockdown 2.0 comes to an end, the Haryana government has taken the tough decision to seal its borders with Delhi. The Gurugram administration has issued orders barring cross-border movement except for essential commodities, ambulances and central government officials. The fresh curbs which came into force today morning is done to contain the spread of coronavirus. There are over 57 cases of COVID-19 in Gurugram, 300 cases of coronavirus in Haryana and 3 deaths that have been reported in the state so far.
जरूरी मेडिकल दवाइयों की गाड़ियाँ, कैश वैन और हमारे जो खाद्य पदार्थ लेके आएंगी गाड़ियाँ, ट्रक वगैरह वो, और जिनके पास सेंट्रल के पास है जैसे MHA ऑफिस है, उनसे जुड़े हुए जो भी अधिकारी है उनको अलावा, उसके अलावा किसी को भी नहीं, और एम्बुलेंस को अलावा होगा।
Anisha Mathur is joining us live now. She is getting us a report from the Delhi-Gurugram border. Anisha, many in fact states have taken the decision to seal borders with Delhi. Delhi has been completely isolated now because of the number of cases of coronavirus. What is the situation right now along the Delhi-Gurugram road? Usually there's a lot of traffic on that road. Even at this time, a lot of essential commodity vehicles use this road.
Well, yes, but what the Gurgaon police is now doing is that they have issued orders that after 10 o'clock, as if you can see behind me, there is a barricade that is there. Since the morning, people have been advised to not cross the border. In fact, even the people who are in essential services, including those who are in working with chemists or working at food supply stores, etc., they have been told to try and get accommodation wherever it is that they work. Now, this morning also, we saw several people being informed, including bank employees, that if you work in Delhi and you live in Gurgaon, try and get your office to arrange accommodation for you in Delhi. If you work in Gurgaon and live in Delhi, try and arrange accommodation in Gurgaon itself. But as far as essential services, including central government services, are concerned, they will be allowed to travel back and forth. But as far as possible, even they have been asked to try and limit their movement as much as possible. The SHO of DLF Phase 1 is here at this barricade, and the district magistrate has been doing the rounds, advising people to try and not travel between the two cities as much as possible, because according to the Haryana government, a lot of the coronavirus contamination is in fact coming in from Delhi because of this constant back and forth. But as Gurgaon is currently in the orange zone, and Delhi, remember, all 11 districts are in the red zone, right. A lot of these restrictions are going to continue. And now today Gurgaon has sealed its border, but earlier Faridabad, Noida, Ghaziabad borders have also been sealed. So right now the containment is what the governments are looking at.
Okay, Anisha, thank you for getting us that report.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.